boys and girls, Miss Gemma here. How are you today? In today's lesson we're going to talk about punctuation. So what is punctuation? Punctuation is the marks that we see in our writing that help us to understand and make sense of what we are reading. Some of these marks are capital letters, commas, full stops, exclamation marks and question marks. In this lesson we'll take a closer look at these punctuation marks. Capital letters, commas, full stops, exclamation marks and question marks. Boys and girls, don't forget to print your worksheet so you can follow along with Miss Gemma. So let's have a look at our first punctuation mark, boys and girls. What is a capital letter and when do we use it? An example, a capital letter is an uppercase letter at the beginning of a word. We use capital letters at the beginning of a sentence, at the beginning of a person's name, like Miss Gemma, and the name of a place, for example, Sydney. So let's find all the capital letters in this piece of writing. So boys and girls, let's first read our passage and then we'll go and find the capital letters. Are you ready? Okay. Everyone told Lily Hippo she was too loud. Lily Hippo, keep it down please. I can't hear myself think, said Dad. Lily Hippo, sing quietly, you'll wake the baby, said Mum. Let's go find the capital letters. So when do we use capital letters? At the beginning of a sentence. So let's see. So where's my pen? There it is. Okay, so we've got the capital E for everyone. Told Lily Hippo. So Lily Hippo is a name. So she was too loud. Lily Hippo. Again, a name. Keep it down, please. I is a capital letter. Can't hear myself think, said Dad. It's a name of a person. Lily Hippo. Sing quietly, you'll wake the baby, said Mum. Okay, let's just make sure we haven't missed any. Everybody told Lily Hippo she was too loud. Lily Hippo, keep it down, please. I can't hear myself think, said Dad. Lily Hippo, sing quietly, you'll wake the baby, said Mum. I think we've got them all. Are you ready for the next one? So what's a full stop, boys and girls, and when do we use it? A full stop is just a dot. We use a full stop at the end of a sentence. So let's find all the full stops in this piece of writing. So let's go searching for the full stops, but first we need to read our passage. Okay. Grandma Poss made bush magic. She made wombats blue and kookaburras pink. She made dingoes smile and emus shrink. But the best magic of all was the magic that made Hush invisible. What adventures Hush had! Because she couldn't be seen, she could be squashed by koalas. Because she couldn't be seen, she could slide down kangaroos. Okay, let's go find the full stop. So when do we use full stops, boys and girls? At the end of a sentence. Okay, let's go. Grandma Poss made bush magic. There's one. She made wombats blue and kookaburras pink. So there's another one. She made dingoes smile and emus shrink. There's another one. But the best magic of all was the magic that made Hush invisible. Again, there's another one. What adventures Hush had? That's not a full stop. Because she couldn't be seen, she could be squashed by koalas. That could be dangerous. Because she couldn't be seen, she could slide down kangaroos. I think that's all of them, boys and girls. What is a question mark? And when do we use it? A question mark looks like a hook. We use a question mark at the end of a sentence when we are asked a question. Let's go find the question marks in this piece of writing. Are you ready to find the question marks, boys and girls? Did you see what I did there? Okay, let's read our passage first.
I do not like them, Sam, I am.
Would you? Could you? In a car? Eat them? Eat them? Here they are. I would not. Could, in a car. You may like them. You will see. You may like them in a tree. Okay, let's go find them. Okay. Would you? Would you? There's our first one. Could you? In a car? Not sure. Eat them? Eat them? Here they are. I would not. Could. In a car? You may like them. You will see. You may like them in a tree. Well, that was pretty easy, boys and girls. Let's go find out what the next one is. You did a terrific job, boys and girls. Come and join me in our next lesson to find the exclamation marks and the commas. We will then go on a hunt for all the punctuation marks learned over these 2 lessons. You will need the worksheet to continue with the next one. I'll see you soon. Hey boys and girls, this is Miss Gemma. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button under me and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram pages to stay up to date on everything we post. So boys and girls, I will see you in our next lesson.